Thank you for being here with me today, ladies. I'm so excited. Kimm Brown, your girl. We are 50 and we're fabulous. So I have a couple of things. First off, I want to thank each and every one of you for all of the messages that you've been sending me. I absolutely love that. It just makes my heart soar. So I am going to do a look that I did a couple days ago, and then we're going to go through and we're going to talk about a brand new product, our Silky Setting Powder. I am falling in love with this. You know that I have always loved our translucent, but we are going to do this and I'm going to show you why I'm falling in love with it. So today I don't always wear the same colors, but I have these two beautiful earrings from my Olivia, Miss Olivia. These came in the mail the other day. I chose them. One of them is a little bit longer, and then the other one is just very, very, very fabulous. But I think I'm going to try these today. So I'm going to go with a couple colors in our Mary Kay palette. So stay tuned. I'm going to quickly put on my precision eyebrow pencil and follow up with our volume tint gel, and we're going to put those brows in place. So I'll be right back with you. Voila, it is done. So I put on my eye primer already, and then I'm going to do my concealer. Now I use the Mary Kay brand, and I also have my under eye corrector, which I like because I have a little bit of blueness, not a lot, but just a little bit of blueness. So ladies, I put on both of the earrings. We're gonna kind of look at these as we go. And I believe this is from the Blossom collection, just came out. They go so fast. She just makes a certain amount and then they're gone. Aren't these just gorgeous? This is a perfect Mother's Day gift. Look how beautiful they are with the little rosette and the soft blush colors. And these are just so sophisticated. I mean, they're both sophisticated, but these will go with a lot of my outfits when I'm getting dressed up. I think these will too, but these are more, they're like more fun for me. So look below for the promo code. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take in our spring collection from last year. I love the pinks and some of the purples in here, and I think they're gonna go really good with this. I will also probably use our Blossom down below, so we'll just see how it goes. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start. And like I said, I'm going to go, so you can probably take my eye brush and just go like that. That's how far I'm going to stay away from the corner. And the reason why is because I'm going to put a lighter color in there later. So I am going to go with this pink right here, because I just think it's a very, very, very pretty color. Now we're gonna clean our brush. I actually have more, but not this one, so we're gonna use my brush cleaner. And we are going to just take that off. I actually have 2 and 3 and 4 brushes like this because when I buy the brush set, I always get extras because you're always changing colors. But I usually use the other one for my light colors. So this brush cleaner dries very, very fast. That is a little bit more nude and has a little bit of shimmer to it. So I am going to take this color and I am going to put that out here on this, and I'm going to bring that, oh yeah, that one. Oh, absolutely. At first I was like, I don't know, let's see. I went with a different color and I'm like, yeah, that looks too white. I didn't like it. Okay, so yes, you have to deal with my little thing. So I'm just gonna wipe this out now because we need to smooth those lines out, right? And I want to blend that a little bit more. What I love about our Chromafusion colors is they go on. I always have to start out very light, and then I can add to it. Primarily because it is got a great pigment, huge pigment part in it, and a staying power. So I just clean this off again, and now I'm going to take that and smooth that out a little bit. Okay, blending it, looks much better. All right, there, I have that. So now I am going to use one of my go-to colors, which you can tell is the Blossom. The reason I use Blossom is because it is closer to my skin tone and it just finishes it out underneath my brow. When I do that over here on this end, you will see that that one line kind of mellows out a little bit, right? Very much so. Okay, so now that we have that done and we've got colors on our whole eyelid, we're going to go ahead and blend them all in because we don't want them harsh. And this brush here is called my All Over Shadow. I just use it, really. This is the one, but it's really big and thick, so I like to use this as my spreader. Now I am going to go in, we're going to use a couple, I'm going to use another color to just do my accent, and I'm going to use my nice angle brush. I love my eye crease brush, and I am going to go in with this one color. You can see how it looks. Maybe it's better if I just leave it like that. Absolutely. And I'm going to go I know these colors are a little bit darker. You can probably find some lighter, more pinky colors in those other stores, but I'm using Mary Kay colors, and these are my choices. I was thinking of going and getting one of my classic colors that I have down there. It's called Ballerina Pink. I love that color. I didn't go and get it before I started this, so we're gonna go with the colors in my palette, okay? And I'm actually going with this color right here, which is lighter than our Merlot color, but darker than any of our normal colors we have in that line. So now I'm going to go back with my brush, and I'm going to just blend these a little bit better. I love it when you send me messages that you're playing my videos as you're doing your own colors, and if there's anything I can do specifically for you, absolutely let me know. I always have to play with this one here because it is a little bit wider space than I have on this side. All right, now one more thing. I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to put my crystalline in it, and just in the inside here. Ladies, I'm going to do my mascara and finish my lashes. I will be right back. So I'm going to take my and I'm gonna use my sponge. My battery's gonna go dead. To blend them in. I want to talk about our setting powder. Now I have two of them, right? I have been using the light to medium, and the reason I did that was because I have always used only translucent powder. I did not use the mineral powder. I just didn't think it was giving me the coverage that I wanted. And so I began using the setting or the translucent powder, and I always do that under my eyes. So I wanted to see what the color of the light is. They call it just Ivory. Light Ivory. I wanted to see how light it was. And when I put on my concealer, I have to do this quickly because it likes to dry. So I always put it on with my sponge, and then I come back and let me get my notes. All right, so this has mica in it. All right, I absolutely love products with mica and squalene. Okay, so these two items are my favorite. Squalene is in a lot of skincare, and it's really a necessary ingredient. So mica, what it does is it will illuminate, okay? So it will give you like highlights or the ability to like hide things. That's why when I put this on the first time I used it, I was like, oh my gosh, it took my lines and it like dropped them down to like like 10% instead of 80%. And I didn't have to do anything different other than use this. So I absolutely love it. It is a light deflector. It has a light deflector in it. And then what is it about squalene? Okay, squalene is an ingredient that your skin tells it what it needs. So if you have oily skin or dry skin, it will accommodate that. It will go to that, okay, and use that. So it's skin recognizable. Let's say it that way. And you know, it's going to give you a perfect match. So I used the light Ivory specifically here around my eyes and on my forehead where I would highlight my face. That's where I put the light Ivory. Now I wanted to try it because when I looked at it, it had a little bit of a pink color, and I was thinking, that's not necessarily my color because I'm more on the lighter beige side. But I thought I'm going to give it a try. And then the color that I have actually been using has been the light to medium. And this actually goes very well when I'm doing it like anywheres around where I use my contour. So that is, that's really, yes, it's two colors, but you know what? We have more than one color of eye color, and when you're doing a full face like I'm doing today, then you just have to go that next little step and do a couple more. So there we go. That is what I'm doing for us today. So if you would like to know more, definitely send me messages. Let me know what else I can tell you. I'm going to do one more thing. I have to put on my color, cheek color. I think these colors I'm going to use. I have a event to go to next week over on the east side of our state, and I think I'm going to use these colors with the earrings. I think I'm going to wear these earrings over there, and we're going to see, because don't you just love this look? I am loving the look. My new spring look. Boom.